Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube program. It has been a while, and I've been receiving a lot of information and inquiry based on many of you guys that are foreigners in the country that are going through challenges and so on. So my name is Iyare Imasi. I am a lawyer here in Germany. In Germany, we call it Rechtsanwalt. In case if you need the services of a lawyer, of course, that is not free of charge in Germany, you can always contact me. So my topic today is what to do when you receive a letter from the immigration office in Germany or any other government office in Germany as a foreigner. So such letters can be in form of probably you found the letter in your letterbox, or you receive an official letter. It can be in a yellow envelope or in a normal envelope from the court, from the police, or from the ministry or any kind of official office in Germany. So please don't take these letters lightly. Don't relax or throw the letter away. The best thing to do is you contact a lawyer. So, because if you start writing them on your own, whether in English language, of course, some immigration officers in Germany or workers do speak the English language, but they are not so fluent in English language like you that are native speakers from different countries in the world. So, and when you start communicating with them, personally, they know the law better than you. They are experts on their feet, and they know how to trick you around and how to harm you. So the best thing to always do is give the case to a lawyer as quickly as possible, because I'm having so many inquiries, so many such cases where people have thought they can react to such letters on their own and at the end destroy the whole thing, that at the point when a lawyer comes in, a lawyer cannot help you anymore because you have written and exposed yourself and have said about things that you are not supposed to say. So that is why we lawyers, we are trained and we know how to tackle the problem and we know how to work with these people. So don't think you are clever because you speak a little German. If you speak a little German, does not mean that you are a lawyer. You never went to the university to study law, and you never studied together with a state attorney or together with a judge. And the police are trained on their own way. They have their tricks on how to find things from you that you can easily implicate yourself. I'm telling you because a lot of people are having these problems, and at the end, they're asked to leave the country, or at the end, they will be fined a very huge amount of money as punishment, or at the end, they may even be deported, or they start facing all kinds of problems because the language that they were using with the offices in the country was not clear enough, and they could not articulate properly with them. And many of them, everything that we do in this country has to do with laws. And these laws, and when they start writing you, they always give you a time limit. It can be 2 weeks, it can be 3 weeks. And many of you guys neglect these letters and said it does not matter, or maybe because you don't understand the content of the letter because it's mostly written in German. So you now throw these letters away. And when it's already too late, people start haunting you, looking for you, start asking you to leave the country. Then you start looking for a lawyer, or you start looking for people like me to help you. Yeah? So please take precaution, react as quickly as possible if you get such a letter or any kind of letter that you receive from a government office. React as quickly as possible. Look for a specialist that can help you, because this country where we are, almost everybody is a specialist on his own field. So if you are not a specialist on that field, they can tumble you, they can trick you, they can move you up and down as if you are what they call a rope, or a kind of what they call a kind of we say Gegenstand, a kind of an object that can be moved up and down. So be clever. That is always what's supposed to do. Go out, look for information, ask your friends, contact people around you, look for a lot of places. If you don't know how to get a lawyer, go to Google, write into Google, a lawyer who speaks English like me, or a lawyer who is a specialist in a certain field. It can be in family law, it can be in immigration law, it can be in traffic law, it can be in any kind of law in this country. You can find them in the internet and then get in contact with them. So if you speak mostly the English language, get in contact with a lawyer that understands the English language, that can explain things to you beyond reasonable doubt. Because there are some of them who don't really understand the English language, and it's difficult for them to explain these things to you. So look for the ones that are really good, like me, who are mother speakers, native speakers. They can easily explain things for you properly and you understand it. So thanks a lot for listening to me. So don't take things lightly. Stand up when you get such information and you'll be helped as quickly as possible. I wish you guys all a nice day, and till next time again. Bye for now.